Hey guys, so the title of this video is called Standing Out and Black Sheep. So the thought that I wanted to share in this video is I've noticed in the land business, even specifically on the marketing side, I'm going to specifically talk about a few companies. The lower cost vacant land selling business where we all, sell owner financing. I've noticed kind of like the top companies in this business, they all stand out in a unique way. Whether it's their offer that they're providing to the marketplace or their marketing angle, right? So I'm going to talk about one company, or actually there's multiple that I know. And actually, now that I think about it, the most successful ones, at least in our business model, they have a way of standing out. So the first company that I'll talk about without mentioning their name is they've been doing this for a long time, and they have a very old looking website. It's a very old looking website, completely outdated, but they sell a ton of land. And their offer is they keep it like old school, and it's like an auction website. So they're auctioning off their land. So their unique approach is that they're auctioning cheap land, even though they have an older, outdated website, and maybe that's part of their brand. The second one I've noticed, the second company that I'm going to talk about, is these people let you customize automatically on their website the duration of your owner financing contract, so the customer can actually pick how long they want to make this term and then how much they want to pay per month. And then they also do like the first month is free, or for like a very small dollar amount. So I've noticed that the great people in any business, and specifically I think the ones that are going to really take over inland, are going to be the people that are being willing to stand out and do things on their own. So whether it's, the offer that you're providing to the marketplace, or your marketing approach, or even how your mailers look, or whatever it is, if you can find ways to differentiate yourself and stand out, and being like, hey, this guy, this letter, or this company is not the same as the 20 others that I've received for you guys that are sending mail. We don't. So we try to differentiate on the marketing angle, or our content, like with the videos that we make, or whatever it is. I feel like there's an unfair advantage that you gain when you go against the grain and you're willing to take shots, advertise where other people don't, go into different markets where other people don't, and just be willing to stand out and take the shot.